Your WhatsApp a hacker's target. Did you know that your WhatsApp messages and calls could be a target for hackers? It's true. Hackers are always looking for ways to steal your personal information, and WhatsApp is a popular app they like to target. But don't worry, you can protect yourself. This guide will show you 5 easy steps to make your WhatsApp more secure. We'll keep it simple and easy to understand, even if you're not a tech expert. By the end, you'll know how to keep your conversations private and your information safe. Ready to become a WhatsApp security pro? Let's get started. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is like having a second lock on your door. It adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts, making it much harder for hackers to break in. Even if a hacker gets your key, your password, they still can't get in without the second lock. This second lock is usually a code sent to your phone or generated by an app. Here's how it works. When you turn on 2FA, WhatsApp will ask you to enter a special code from an authentication app on your phone whenever you log in from a new device. This ensures that only you can access your account. This code changes every few seconds, so even if a hacker steals your password, they can't log in without your phone. The constantly changing code makes it nearly impossible for hackers to guess or intercept. Turning on 2FA is easy. 1. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. It's a simple process that takes just a few minutes but adds significant protection. 2. Tap on Account, then 2-step verification. This will take you to the setup page where you can enable the feature. 3. Tap on Enable and follow the instructions to set up a PIN and link your phone number. This PIN will be required whenever you log in from a new device. That's it. Now your WhatsApp account has an extra layer of security. With 2FA, you can have peace of mind knowing your personal information is much safer from cyber threats. Your WhatsApp password is like the key to your house. You don't want to use a weak key that anyone can guess, right? The same goes for your passwords. A strong password should be long, at least 12 characters. Unique, don't use the same password for multiple accounts. And complex, use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Here are some examples. Weak password, password 123, easy to guess. Strong password, 7GR at NDP at $word, long, unique, and complex. Avoid using personal information like your birthday or pet's name in your password. Hackers can easily find this information online. Section 4, Phishing Scams. Don't take the bait. Have you ever received a suspicious message that looks like it's from WhatsApp, asking you to click on a link or provide personal information? These messages often look very convincing and can easily trick someone who isn't paying close attention. That could be a phishing scam. Phishing scams are one of the most common types of online fraud. Phishing scams are designed to trick you into giving away your login credentials or other sensitive information. They can lead to identity theft, financial loss, and other serious consequences. Hackers often use fake websites and emails that look real to fool you. These fake sites can be almost identical to the legitimate ones, making it hard to tell the difference. Here are some tips to avoid phishing scams. Always be cautious and think twice before clicking on any link or providing personal information. Be wary of suspicious links. If something feels off, it probably is. Don't click on links in messages or emails from unknown senders. Even if the message appears to be from a trusted source, verify it through another means. Check the sender's address carefully. Often phishing emails will have slight misspellings or unusual characters in the sender's address. Look for misspellings or unusual characters. These are red flags that the message may not be legitimate. Never give away your password or verification codes. No legitimate service will ask for this information via message or email. WhatsApp will never ask for this information via message or email. Always be skeptical of such requests. If you receive a suspicious message, it's best to ignore it and report it to WhatsApp. Reporting helps protect others from falling victim to the same scam. Section 5, update. Stay one step ahead. Keeping your apps and devices updated is crucial in today's digital age. Think of software updates like getting a flu shot for your phone. Just as a flu shot protects you from viruses, updates protect your phone from digital threats. Updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities hackers could exploit. These patches are essential for maintaining the integrity and security of your personal data. To keep your WhatsApp secure, make sure you're always using the latest version of the app. Regular updates ensure you have the newest features and the best protection. You can usually find updates in your phone's app store. It's a simple process that can make a big difference in your digital safety. Here's how to update WhatsApp. It's quick and easy. Go to the App Store, iPhone, or Google Play Store, Android. Search for WhatsApp. This will bring up the apps page where you can check for updates. If an update is available, you'll see an update button. This button is your gateway to the latest improvements and security enhancements. Tap on it to install the latest version. The update process usually takes just a few moments. It's also essential to keep your phone's operating system, iOS or Android, up to date for optimal security. System updates often include critical security fixes and performance improvements. Section 6. End-to-end encryption, your secret weapon. End-to-end encryption is like having a secret language that only you and the person you're talking to can understand. Even if someone intercepts your messages, they won't be able to read them. WhatsApp comes with end-to-end encryption enabled by default, so you don't have to do anything to activate it. This means that your messages, calls, photos, and videos are protected from prying eyes. To make sure end-to-end encryption is active, look for a lock icon next to the chat name or contact's name. You can also tap on the chat name to view the encryption information. Section 7. Stay safe, stay secure. It's in your hands. Congratulations. You've learned 5 easy steps to protect your WhatsApp from hackers. Remember, your online security is an ongoing process. Stay informed about potential threats and follow these tips to keep your conversations private and your information safe. By taking these simple precautions, you can enjoy using WhatsApp with peace of mind, knowing that your digital life is well protected.